Hey everybody, it's Mike with Detroit Grooming Company, and today we've got a special video for you. We're going to talk about our new product, the beard wax. Now, what you might notice right off the bat here is that it's a little different, even though it's in a 4-ounce jar and like what you're used to with the beard butter. So it looks a little different, but it's also much different on the inside. Now this will do some of the heavy lifting in terms of keeping your hair nourished and keeping it nice and shiny and looking healthy. But the primary use for this and the formula itself is specifically made to give you hold. We got a lot of requests through our messages, through our emails, asking us for a product just like this, more or less to make a stronger butter. Instead of making a stronger butter, we changed things around a little bit and came out with something that'll give you exactly what you need and not take anything away from you. So let's get into it. Right off the bat, you're going to notice it's a little different. It's an amber jar, it has a gold top. We wanted to give it the royal treatment because you guys have been asking for this for a while, and we wanted to give you something really special. So the form factor looks a little different, but on the inside, you'll see that it's nice, creamy, and smooth. First part of the process here is you're going to want to extract the wax with the back of your fingernail and get about a fingernail's worth in your hand. You want to put that in the palm of your opposite hand and then warm it up. After you've warmed it up, that does two things. It evenly distributes the product from your fingertips to your palms, and also activates some of the oils that are inside and part of the ingredients that we put together for you. Now that your hands are completely coated with the beard wax, you'll want to lay that right on top of your beard. You won't need to do much in terms of working it into the beard because it's meant to hold flyaways and keep your beard nice and laid down. You can already tell a big difference from before I put it in and now. The next step here is either to use a brush or a comb. Now, I always suggest a comb in this step because you are styling and you are shaping. So a brush might give you a much softer look, where if you're looking for an edgier look or a harder look, you'll want to use the comb. So just run that comb through the beard as you normally would. Looks good, you look good. So don't forget to jump on the internet and hop over to DetroitGrooming.com and check out the beard wax. It's under the beard butter tab on our website. Don't forget to also follow us on our social feeds on Instagram at Detroit Grooming, Twitter Detroit Grooming, and also on Facebook Detroit Grooming Co. Thank you very much for joining us. We're going to bring you some more great content here, so make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.